Hey there, this is Nerdy Guy with my first video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to tell you different type of programmers. So let's get started. So there are mainly four types of programmers: application programmer, system programmer, game programmer, and web programmer. So we'll start with application programmer. Application programmers are responsible for designing and modifying computer application. Application programmer writes the code for apps. These apps can be developed for different operating systems. There is this Windows, there is this Mac, Android, Chrome, Linux, etc. They can also be written to particular platforms such as computer, software, and tablet. The second type of programmers we have are system programmers. System programmers are someone who produce, installs, and implement new and modified computer systems, also networks and related operating softwares. System programmers are usually very technical, and system programmers also test both hardware as well as software systems and finds and resolve the problem. There are some duties of system programmers such as training users, testing and modifying systems to ensure that they are operated reliably, and also fault finding and fixing. The third type of programmer on our list is game programmer. A game programmer is a software engineer or a programmer or a computer scientist who primarily develop code bases for video games or related software such as game development tools. Game programming has many specialized disciplines. All fall under a term of game programmer. Now many people ask me or they tell me that game programming and game designing is same. No, they are not same. Game programmer is someone who primarily develops code bases for video games, and the game designer is someone who works on game design. The fourth type of programmer we have is web programmer. Web programmer plan, create and code internet sites and web pages, many of which combine text with sounds, pictures, graphics and video clips. A web programmer is responsible for creating a site or pages. This includes the design, layout and coding. This can mean working on a brand new website or updating already existing site. Now some of the responsibilities of web designer or web programmer. Now by the way, web programmer is also called as web designer. So some of the duties, some of the responsibilities of web programmer or web designer are creating website designs, producing sample sites, meeting with the clients to discuss requirements and or project progress. So that it is, guys. These were the type of programmers we have in computer science. Now hit that like button if you like this video, and if you have any question or queries, please throw them in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. Before signing off, make sure you subscribe this channel for more videos. This is Nerdy Guy signing off. Have a great day. Cheers.